Stay down. Okay. Stay there. My monkey.
Oh my god!
I'll let him. I have a fucking pal at the moment.
Like a horror ride!
It is a horror ride.
It's on me! Ah!
Monty, look at me. No.
Ah! I'm so bad! No! That hurt!
Okay, you can. Oh. No! Leave him there, guys. Leave him there.
We have more room! This is good.
Yeah, no, we have more room, like.
Monty! Smile! Monty!
It's okay, dog. It's okay to be little.
Hi, Katrina.
I've got wet balls on my knees. I'll get you over.
He doesn't know what to do.
Monty, Katrina will tell you it's okay. I can't think when so we'll go. It's good to be small sometimes. Oh, I can't get one. That's really bad. Can I please sit on your lap? And then the dog can come to you.
Yeah, come down my lap!
Oh, let's.
Give me your leading hand.
Okay. How are we going to do this?
Shoot the dog. Wait, I'll go in this corner. I'll go in this. Pepper.
Okay, no, I need to get that dog side of the dog, please. Okay, there we go.
Wait, why didn't I just let go of him?
Oh, no,
Like,
wait,
jump out.
Hey,
I'm so loud. Hey, look at the dog. Oh, literally. Look at my first look. Look at the problem. Hello, Daisy. Hello. Oh, he's so funny. I knew we should have just left the dogs in here and like a camera running.
see what they got.
We left the dogs in here, they would jump out.
They wouldn't. My dog wouldn't jump out. She'd be way too scared, and she's too small.
Oh, sorry. Smile, guys.
No, thank you.
Let Hayley see. Okay. Yeah, lovely.
Great. Now we have to take one of you, like down there with the dog.
No.
Where she belongs. Katrina, that's possibly the funniest thing I've ever heard you say. Stop it, Monty! No! It's like knowing where he is. So does dog. Go on, Sock, you can see. Look up there. Go on, look up. Look up.
Like,
that's you see their face, you've got to record their face. And they're just like, what? Hang on, let me do it.
hang on, wait.
Just watch people's react.
They can't be right. Oh, that's funny. Imagine you saw Abby and they were like, I think we wait for the next one.
Monty! That's tricky to upside down. Socks, go on, you can have a look. Look up here. Go on, up, up. Up, up.
We're at Hengistbury.
Yeah, look. Parade was so cool.
No, no.
But that's Trina's dog being gay. Well, he is gay.
Bye, not gay.
His dog is not gay.
Why are you thinking stuff?
Tell us this is a lot longer than I thought it was.
Didn't we seriously walk all this way?
Yeah. It's not that long. Well, no, that was the short route. This is going a long way. I'm sorry, I'm killing your legs there.
It's alright.
It's supposed to be better than being down there with dogs all over me.
Like,
Dog looks like a little dog, like looking out the window.
stop recording me. What are you doing?
On Facebook.
Thanks.
My hair looking like this. You can't put that on Facebook. Oh, I've just realised I'm probably getting blood on your trousers right now.
Facebook.
There's my legs cut. There's gonna be all these comments like, oh my god, what?
What the hell are you? Five and 6 dogs doing?
Oh, I cut that out to us.
Oh my gosh, hey! Ow! Ow!
Hey!
Let go, let go. Oh my god!
You got me! You got it!
Daisy, I don't think you meant to do that. The guy is gonna hate you, you know that?
Well, but... Daisy's looking more...
And I want to go back there, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. You're sitting on your dog.
Oh my god! I know! Poor friend! Look at mine!
Okay, yeah, that's a good plan. You go. Put it back on there. 7. She's very strong. I think by now, like Katrina or Haley would have put that.
And then they would have got eaten by the dog.
It's still recording.
Yeah, it's recorded for 6 minutes.
Your dog is drunker.
Hello to Facebook.
Hello, Facebook.
We're in on the rocks on YouTube.
They're like, hey, you too.
Like, shut up. Shut your face.
Oh! Are you Irish?
No, I'm not sure. Right, so when we see someone, have to go, hello.
Oh no, please don't.
No, there. Yeah, me and you will.
Hello.